Hello, welcome back or welcome to our channel I Say Kids. Before we start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we will talk about Ada Lovelace, who was a mathematician. Ada Byron, born on December 10, 1815, was the only child of poet Lord Byron and mathematician Lady Byron. She is from the United Kingdom. Byron separated from his wife a month after Ada was born and left England forever. 4 months later, he commemorated the parting in a poem that begins, "Is thy face like thy mother's, my fair child, Ada, sole daughter of my house and hearth?" Ada's mother promoted Ada's interest in mathematics and logic. Ada pursued her studies diligently. She often fell ill in her childhood. At the age of 8, she experienced headaches that obscured her vision. When she was 14, she was paralyzed after a bout of measles. She was subjected to continuous bed rest for nearly a year, something which may have extended her period of disability. By 1831, she was able to walk with crutches. Despite the illnesses, she developed her mathematical and technological skills. She wanted to fly. For that, she constructed wings. She examined the anatomy of birds to determine the right proportion between the wings and the body. Her final step was to integrate steam with the art of flying. She created a book called Flyology, which had a record of her designs that she tried out. She also became close friends with her tutor Mary Somerville, who introduced her to Charles Babbage in 1833. She also came in contact with the scientists Andrew Cross, Sir David Brewster, Charles Wheatstone, Michael Faraday, and the author Charles Dickens, and became popular because of a brilliant mind. She was privately educated in mathematics and science by some of the noted 19th century researchers and scientific authors. In the 1840s, the mathematician Augustus de Morgan extended her much help in her mathematical studies, including study of advanced calculus topics, including the numbers of Bernoulli. In a letter to Lady Byron, De Morgan suggested that Ada's skill in mathematics might lead her to become an original mathematical investigator, perhaps first-rate eminence. Charles Babbage invented a machine called difference engine, which is like a calculator, and invited Ada to see it. It could automatically add and subtract numbers. This was the first of its kind. Ada was fascinated by this machine. Ada wanted to go further and make a machine to perform more complicated functions. Both of them started working on that. Babbage was impressed by Lovelace's intellect and analytic skills. He called her the enchantress of number. She was developing a vision of the capability of computers to go beyond mere calculating or number crunching. Here are some of Ada's diagrams from Note G, the first published computer algorithm. Lovelace is now considered by many to be the first computer programmer. Based on this work, and her method has been called the world's first computer program. According to the historian of computing and Babbage specialist Doran Swade, Ada saw something that Babbage in some sense failed to see. In Babbage's world, his engines were bound by number. What Lovelace saw was that number could represent entities other than quantity. So, once you had a machine for manipulating numbers, if those numbers represented other things like letters, musical notes, then machine could manipulate symbols of which number was one instance, according to rules. It is fundamental transition from a machine to which a number cruncher to a machine for manipulating symbols according to rules that is the fundamental transition from calculation to computation, to general purpose computation. Looking back from the present high ground of modern computing, if we are looking and sifting history for that transition, then that transition was made explicitly by Ada in that 1843 paper. She died at the age of 36 on 27 November 1852 from uterine cancer. However, she is remembered as the first ever programmer till date and would always be. The computer language Ada, created on behalf of the United States Department of Defense, was named after Lovelace. In 1981, the Association of Women in Computing inaugurated its Ada Lovelace Award. Since 1998, the British Computer Society (BCS) has awarded the Lovelace Medal and in 2008 initiated an annual competition for women students. BCSW sponsors the Lovelace Colloquium, an annual conference for women undergraduates. Ada College is a further education college in Tottenham Hale, London, focused on digital skills. This is the blue plaque that was awarded to Ada Lovelace in St. James Square, London. Ada Lovelace Day is an annual event celebrated on the second Tuesday of October, which began in 2009. Its goal is to raise the profile of women in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and to create new role models for girls and women in these fields. As of November 2015, all new British passports have included an illustration of Lovelace and Babbage on pages 46 and 47. The brain of mine is something more than merely mortal, as time will show. Let's inspire. Check out these videos too. Don't forget to subscribe.